Tuita na mbere nende siasa cia kuingata munene wa rais Rigathi Gachagua nicicionekete kumataka iteneka kinya baingi bakioneka nende kwithira bakimaneria atongeria bono tuko kuwata rware rumbaru na bange bakiwa Gachagua atibati kwithira akebelua itene ruyo kukirirwo ikarobia mwingi boetera nende ni kuona uretinda riri kethira ricethwa reki siasa norare kaumira rikari nyuma ikarobia mwingi ruyo Phineas Imana na tuthuranite ronoro kiri arwa siasa.
Honorable members,
Variaro kwebiria gitene munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua rwegere ya nguto na bainge bona ya ruo rukethira ruikuluka.
Members at the bar, take the nearest seats.
Atongeria bakioneka kwa ririo ntubu ngerekano mubunge wa giciokio bunge Kimendi Central Kirimangushini oromere werune na kuotino Gachagua etite
bwo kwendekirwa ndoni bwekethwa no kira gwikirwa ndoni go kwenda gwikanira ndoni. Gachagua is going nowhere. In black and white. Ambwirema, he is going nowhere. Uto irende ko muimpeach.
Mutongeria ho baraba ingene ne mbunge ne Kimanishungwa kinyawe ne dire akyuma irawerune na kuoti manto yarwari rokebelia etene Rigathi Gachagua direte ikakua na kuwa yuinguto.
Tell you there has never been any impeachment motion against the deputy president. That has been his creation, and those that he walks around with is a sympathy-seeking gimmick to try and incite people from the Mount Kenya region and more so against members of parliament.
Ende mbunge Gladys Sholei au mirana kwa kinyantire komangoi rwariero kwebelietine munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua no mwankaru kedra rukinya mbunge akiongela kinyawe no edire airuikakia.
I am putting you Rigathi Gachagua on notice. You are going to be impeached. I can confirm that to you today, and I shall be in charge of that impeachment myself.
Nirwaria kinya speaker wa mbunge nene Moses Wetangula onekire yakakuwa tambaru.
Na lazima tukitembea tujue there must be space for everybody. There's always a better tomorrow. Wakati wananchi wanalumbana kila mahali, mimi wanaita wenzangu makao huyu tunakaa naye katika Parliamentary Service Commission. Wanamwambia wewe, ambia ndugu yangu, punguza, teremsha hasira, punguza boli. Because when you get angry, Shakespeare said, courage is not courage if you use it to hit your head against the wall. It's stupidity.
Bunge wa giciokio bunge Kibwezi West Mwengi Mutuse airutaniria kiri makendo yonthe na kuwa akethira ikaira mpaka Ntwala nabu ethira ibubwetha kiambere ya mbunge riraikiria rwaria rokwebelietine Rigathi Gachagua.
I will demonstrate with videos, I will demonstrate with affidavits, I will demonstrate with documents that the man holding the office of the deputy president has violated the same law that he saw to protect in his own oath of office. By using his office to unjustly enrich himself, by using his office to acquire within 2 months properties well beyond 5.2 billion. And Mr. Speaker, I will demonstrate before this House that during the presidential debate, if I may be listened to, Mr. Speaker, that during the presidential debate, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua did declare that he was worth 800 million. We are aware that he's paid slightly over 1 billion, meaning that for the last 2 years, the match he could have accumulated justly is about 24 million. But I would demonstrate before Kenyans that he has properties to himself, the ones that I was able to get in my time of research, worth 5.2 billion Kenya shillings.
Ichungwa urawete ate kumenya kinyekithira kwi nonto ya bobu kwithira bukibangana kwa na riombere nindi kwithira kiara kiantu kweu na kwa muntu raba kwenda kwebelietine ni muntu mwiru na kinyawe na nkoro enjiro.
We are not dealing with an ordinary matter. We are not dealing with an ordinary man. We are dealing with a black man with a very black heart.
Abunge bangi muno bakuma Rutero Muranga bedra bakioneka guthetra Gachagua na kuwa mathina yake yomanitie na thirikari na ndi bangani twenjaru neo broad based government.
Whatever you do to one person, remember we say that what comes around always goes aloud that the reason the broad-based government was formed is and was to kick out Rigathi Gachagua.
Senator wa kaunti ya Makueni Daniel Manzo nwethirani ndiageta ndene ya mbunge ya Senate na rwariarwa kumeneria mitugo ya rais akiwa akithira Gachagua kana Kinyaruto na Konjelula.
If you are going to impeach the deputy president, then impeach the president too, popularly known as Kufa Ndereva Kufa Makanga. There has been abductions and killings in the country. The president is the chairperson of the security committee in the country and therefore must know and is briefed on every single security detail of the country. Right now, Kenyans are very unhappy with the abductions, and there is a need for there to be a national conversation on the same. Kenyans have to be safe in this country. The president has to disclose who are these abductors, where do they take people, how many people have been killed by the abductors, now that he promised very well that he will never mistreat his deputy.
Abunge bamonende bakioneka kwililana wekira kirorero ariarwa kwania munini wa rais. Akenya na boba titinyuma kero ariaru araba ingibonekete kureana Bruna ariaru kwebelietine munini wa rais.
Ugagothi batone impeachment yenenya mama gedretre ko wenri bara go turanta to sia kuimpeach Gachagua no kuibwa ugagothira senate yenenya e kuimpeachment to aeta ni to kuimpeachero kavera gara weta kinya Gachagua te no etete
mumbunge na president usirikiano bwasiri benga Gachagua bameotorea
tote kwenda manto ya ambunge bena yo manto yo bena yo bato wananchi nao itobetere lakini bamenye bote uwe bweto bobena bona umbunge bato to wananchi tuwe tayari usapoti Gachagua.
Kiwanja kia ndege kila kikwenda kurewa ikyo thai ke utoma ba impeach Gachagua kenda kutuika thirikari ra kumanire Ruto na enge na Raila ikenda thai kutuika Gachagua engwa kenda ba mya kurinya kiwanja kia ndege.
Abunge kinyao batitirite bakirekerawa arabonekete ko muriko bonene ni akari bakiwa kidira Gachagua kidira kiana atiana wenka ende bakanania na rais
nkuba mpinyelegete mnono nto bakwethura abunge befuruga amande Kenya kwa tweko tema endeleo to kuona thai Gachagua bakwenda kuruta Gachagua batu twakolokerie president bena Gachagua kwa hivyo bakaua no tora babati otora ni yabo bele amwa Gachagua bo bele amwa president
na ikarobyo mwinge bikiregero kubudikande ne anduguro yonde ntuku yaro kwaririo ntubu Akenya bau abari tayari ya moye kiturwine wituria na kurita bo ukoni ntubu
turarukire sana muno tuteritinya ngwe tutura mapema nonto bito kwelele tukona Ruto gakwenda gwathura na Mount Kenya na arenda gwathura na Mount Kenya nonto thai batu ya na uturira aturetere maromba na bila aturire tata aturire maromba aturire aturitira ngwe lakini utengu tukuona endeka tukua batu tutura mapema na tutetegeria Gachagua etherwa mantu yara atibu nonto bonde baringiri kura ndebene emwe.
Abunge bameru bakioneka kumenerwa bu kadhani atongeria bakira wabekire mibukone no tumiro ne thirikari na kwiro kinya ni baremi otungatira mubaringiri kura.
Kwena a lot of unrest ntere tia mbeti icho ikororagi anto ntere tia Murera na Regembe Central na mpithukiro tia kuirwa ng'ombe bodene ya Isiolo na Igembe North ni ete common occurrence. Emotion iriko mubunge wa Igembe North aikitie ndene ya parliament mbere za kusaina impeachment motion ya deputy president ni motion iriko mubunge wa Central Imenti aikitie ndene ya bunge kutetera makarika za rioza kwage ukaria katika boda ya Meru na Tharaka Nithi mbere ya saina motion
mujumbe wa South Imenti kiume kimwe kiathira oruo barara Gachagua na aretorwa mbeti nyingi na mirandi mingi muno but no ntubwa iromara gituko kimwe esau kwendio rikithathi bwaku iguto kono chainete aria mbere ma utugu qualify kwithirwo wi mutongeria mwega.
Atongeria ba bakiwa woina no kinya Gachagua kethira kiana gitikiene kibangiri nara kethira kita
bwira arabwite to bukethe ikindi ko kanenkerwa giti kana bwite muntu wenu kanenkerwa giti kiti kiomba guta na iguru kangigeta na wanga
na kiuria kirane ni kirio ni kethira Gachagua kethira itathuka kana no pure box mathira. Phineas Imana, Garo ya siasa Kirendeto, Cheweru.